Hello, my name is Lena. Today, I want to share my morning habits with you. I will speak slowly so you can listen and understand easily. My morning routine is simple, but it helps me start my day feeling happy and calm. It is a quiet time just for me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The sound of my alarm pulls me out of my dreams. I open my eyes and turn it off. For a moment, I just lie in my warm bed. I feel sleepy, but I am also happy that a new day is starting. I stretch my arms and my legs. It feels good to wake up my body slowly. The room is quiet and the sun is not up yet. This is my peaceful moment before the day begins. I take a deep breath and tell myself, today will be a good day. This simple thought helps me feel motivated to get out of bed and start my morning. Next, I go to the bathroom to get ready. I like to wash my face with cold water. The cold water makes me feel awake and fresh. It helps to wash away the sleepiness from my eyes. After that, I brush my teeth. I use a mint toothpaste and it makes my mouth feel clean. Looking in the mirror, I smile. It's a small, simple act of self-care. Taking these few minutes to wash up helps me feel clean and prepared for the hours ahead. It's like telling my body that it's time to start a new, fresh day. After washing up, it is time for breakfast. This is one of my favorite parts of the morning. I go to the kitchen and make something healthy and delicious. Today, I am making scrambled eggs with one piece of toast. I also pour myself a glass of orange juice. I take my plate and my glass and sit at my little table near the window. From here, I can see the trees and the sky. Sometimes I see little birds singing on a branch. The morning sunlight comes through the window and makes the room feel warm and bright. Eating my breakfast here is very peaceful. After I finish my breakfast, I do a little bit of writing. I have a special notebook and I call it my journal. I write in it for about 10 minutes. I write down my plans for the day. For example, I might write, today I need to go to the library. I also like to write down things I am grateful for. This means I write about good things in my life. It helps me feel positive. Sometimes, if I don't know what to write, I write one simple sentence. For example, today I want to feel happy. This helps me focus on good feelings. Now it's time for some light exercise. I don't go to a gym. I just do some simple yoga in my living room for about 10 or 15 minutes. I put a soft mat on the floor. I do easy stretches and poses. The most important part is breathing. I breathe in slowly and I breathe out slowly. Deep breathing helps me feel very calm and relaxed. It makes my mind feel clear and focused. It prepares my body and my mind for the busy day. This quiet time helps me connect with myself before I go out into the world. It's my way to find balance and energy for the day. After my yoga, I take a short shower. The warm water feels nice and helps me relax even more. After my shower, I choose my clothes for the day. I look outside the window to check the weather. Today it looks sunny and warm, so I will wear a blue dress. Blue is my favorite color. It makes me feel cheerful. After getting dressed, I pack my bag. I make sure I have my keys, my wallet, and my journal. I also pack a water bottle and an apple for a snack later. Being organized like this makes me feel calm. It is almost 8 o'clock now, and it is time for me to leave the house. I put on my shoes, pick up my bag, and open the door. I feel organized and ready for the day. My morning habits help me feel strong and prepared for anything that happens. They give me energy and a positive mind. I believe that how you start your morning can change your whole day. A good morning makes a good day. So that is my simple morning routine. It helps me feel happy, calm, and ready. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Thank you for listening to my story. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Goodbye for now.